students, I think most of you love to watch and play cricket. Am I correct? Yes. So, today we are going to see one such personality. He is well-known talent for his career and the game of the cricket. He is also called the god of cricket. I guess you would have guessed him. Yes, he is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, we are going to see not only his cricket achievement but also odds faced by him. So, let us see about the author. Sachin was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai and Maharashtra. He is a former cricketer and captain regarded as one of the great cricketers of all time. He scored 100 runs in international centuries and then he scored double centuries in one-day international cricket. And then 30,000 runs in international cricket also he scored. He played 664 international match and scored 34,357 in 2012. He is nominated in Rajya Sabha and then he retired from cricket on 16th November 2013 and then he write about his autobiography, Learning the Game. So, let us move about the lesson. Sachin loved for his cricket very much. He often emulate the mannerism of his favorite players like Gavaskar and V.V. Richards. He studied batting and bowling. He is the coach is Ramanand Achkar is one of the great cricket coach at Shashandam Vidya Mandir in Mumbai. Was instrumental in promoting Sachin as a cricketer. At first instant, Sachin could not impress the coach, but his brother know his capabilities of Sachin. At instant, Sachin was allowed to practice in the camp. He had a rigorous practice in the camp. Then, who is the Ajit? Ajit is one of his brother. Ajit talked to Sachin the nuisance of batting while going from the camp to home. After 2 months, the coach referred to as a sir. Recognized and acknowledged the potential, Sachin had to become a great cricketer. Achkar suggested to Sachin father that he would change the school to Vidyasharanam, where he was the coach, in order to channelize all his energies into the cricket. Then Sachin played practice matches during the summer from 7:30 am to 4:30 am. The last 15 minutes was curical. 1 rupee coin is placed in the stump and Sachin had to bat without getting out, driving the ball on the floor, running 2 full circles round the Shivaji Park gave the physical and mental stamina to him. Occasionally, Sachin's father and other members of the family came to see him during practice. Unfortunately, Sachin has only 2 cricket dresses. So, morning practice finished means after that we came and washed the dress and again she wear the another dress. So, he has no free time. Sir sticks instruction to the Sachin to play with his friends. Sir used to tell him to practice hard and see the magic what it happened. Sachin was benefited by the far-sightedness. When Sachin bunked his practice and went to see the inter-school match, Sir was get angry and said that if he had practiced well, people from all over the world would come to see him bat. He was a strict and discipliner and did everything he could make Sachin a great cricketer. His father told to the Sachin, don't waste the time and follow his dream, work hard and get it, not to worry about the results. I too much put all my energy into achieving my aim and should not lose hope whenever I face failures. Don't waste your time while practicing. Cricket is waiting you for at nets. Practice hard and see his magic and can transpire. Ajkar instructed Sachin not to waste his time in meaningless activities, but channel into energy into which is useful. I believe that hard work can take us one step to our goal. It wasn't for me to come and watch other people play fun. If you practiced well, one day he will reach the goal. One day the people from across the world would come and watch me play. So Ajkar motivated Sachin to become a great player by telling this. We must not be passive by active participants. We must be one among the audience to cheer the players, but the players get the applause. So, this is the autobiography of Sachin. According to Sachin, so many cricket players are here. So, you don't waste your time and practice well. If you are interested, you take practice again and again and one day you become like a Sachin. Then students, we move on to see some synonyms. Emulate means to match. Override means impress. So we want to impress some of the peoples are our favorites. Induction, stimulation, rigorous, extremely, nuisance, expression, pursue, follow. Okay, next class we move on to the supplementary. Thank you.